friends, welcome to TechCare, and today we will learn how to make a Gmail account. So without wasting the time, let's start the topic. Firstly, you have to open the Google, then search for create Gmail account. Okay, you can see here is a link, create a Gmail account. Click on that. Okay, you can see here is the button create an account. I click on that. Okay, you can see here are multiple fields. The very first is first name. I choose the first name as Tech and last name as Cat. Okay, then choose the username TechCat16. Okay, then password. Okay, then confirm the password. Okay, then next. You can see here is the field phone number, which is optional. Then recovery email. Okay, then choose the month. '18 and the year. Okay, then choose the gender. Then click on next. Then click on I agree. Okay, so friends, you can see our Gmail account is created. Then go to Gmail. So you can see my Gmail account with TechCat name is created. So by using this procedure, you can create your own Gmail account. So I hope you learn a lot of things from this video. If you like this video, then share this video and also subscribe my channel TechCat, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the more notifications of the video. Thank you.